Hey internet, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to make your own batteries. I got a lot of devices that take batteries, and I got a little sick of it, and I was like, man, I really don't want to buy any more batteries. I got rechargeables, they only last for a certain amount of charges, so I made my own batteries. It's pretty easy to do. What you do is you take any USB wire and you solder on the red and the black wire. It has to be a USB 2, whatever. You can be 2 and up. So solder one on the positive, one on the negative. Then you just put this in to whatever device. You might have to fool around a little bit to get it to work right, but I put some electrical tape over mine. It's a little bit bigger too, so you have to fiddle with it to take it off. Just use a pin or a nail or whatever. This will work with any 5 volt or under device. So yeah, have at it. It's fun. It's cheap. It's a quick little mod. And, you know. All right. Well, thanks for watching.